Ever tried opening WSA Package Manager only to see that annoying WSA not installed error? Yeah, I ran into that too. But don't worry, I found the solution and today I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So let's get started. I installed WSA Pacman, super excited to get Android apps running on my PC, but this error popped up. WSA Pacman relies on Windows subsystem for Android, but my PC didn't have it. Okay, no big deal, right? Just install WSA from the Microsoft Store. Easy. But then another problem. The install button was grayed out. It wouldn't let me download it. After some digging, I found out the issue was my region settings. WSA isn't available in all countries. Open settings. Go to time and language and region. Change the region to United States. Once I did that, I went back to the Microsoft Store and bam, the install button turned blue. It took a little time to download and install, but once it was done, I reopened WSA Package Manager and guess what? No more error. So that's how I fixed the WSA not installed issue.